Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jingïalang. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong kakhot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but QA pandep khap mania fila pan call haki niki number.
Usambut Menteri Nambaka Jila Bopait Dru Ikatnat District Council Affairs Ulalum Jingïalang ya borok lightly ki Autonomous District Council ha ka Jila kata ka KHEDC, JHEDC but GHEDC. Banyakan halor ka grant na ka 15 Finance Commission ka baki lightly ki District Council ki dipen yo. Hakini ki Jingïalang lai dan langru ki officer jong ka District Council Affairs na ka Urban but na ka Finance Department. But ka daw balakot yakni ki Jingïalang ka day namar ba kat kum ki kendon jong ka 15 Finance Commission la ban I scheme tang yaki jaka ki bahab ha nong kendong niki rural areas but on omlaban ai yaki bahab hasor niki urban areas uba prestun la IT ha ka urban department akan pej kumnu ban le yakani nang baboro ki constituency hasor ru Jingïalang yaka gran ula IT ru ha ka DCA bakani selok bat panya rengkat bat ki lightly ki district council banwan ikilat kilenti ki MDC jong ki constituency ki bahab hasor Shillong ki don kumbasan ne hendrutli hasor tura ki don kumbalai ne southly bat hasor jawaipan ki don kumbasan ne hendrutli ki constituency
district councils along with the related departments like Urban Affairs Department, DCA, and then even from finance, we sit down about the issue of the implementation of 15 Finance Commission grant, recommended by the 15 Finance Commission to all the 3 district councils. But in between, we have a little challenges relating to the area which falls under the urban area. Because even the district council, we have urban area constituencies like Tura, like Shillong, like Juai. So what happened was, that schemes recommended by the 15th Finance Commission, it talks about the rural area, which is to be implemented by the 3 district councils, and it was silent when you talk about the implementation of the very same scheme in urban area. So ultimately, we had a meeting today. I discussed with all the 3 district councils and then with the officers, and we have already requested the Urban Affairs Department to walk out if something can be done for the urban area MDC constituency in the entire state, where they will also be able to get the so-called untied or tight fund as recommended by the 15th Finance Commission. So we have already decided. We entrusted now to the Urban Affairs Department, and I've already told also to the Commissioner Secretary of DCA to be in touch, and with all the 3 district councils, I'm very sure we will be able to implement this same such scheme even in the urban areas from now on. No time frame, but we have already told them to walk out at the earliest possible so that they can also participate, because you knew well that the 15th Finance Commission is ended up to March 2026. So we have left maybe only few months from now. So we have already told them that to walk out immediately and then make sure that this urban areas elected representatives also are entitled to get this recommended scheme, which was already recommended by the Finance Commission. Pi minta kadon pa problem na maraba kanika online reporter kala create laga job portal. Pi mensua habang padon ya kanika kampadon kanika portal kay bajia kalong bahay kidon ki scheme di balamang lagi diskusi subuh no minta la sanction kerpangi kisah aja de unga kecil kemudian sampai ki MDC bro arpun lain temut kilayo manajemen klem ya sim ya ka urban lade ka rural den lain ngompi Annikla create yang ni portal pada menta kam ya chu menta katu ke portal kam accept lada ke yo I ba kam don hakalis jong kan ka rural area kam accept dan ta ba mi kan isu ka bani hap pada keren ko betala urban bat ka rural namar ba ka along no ban ko mati pride yigi ba pli ke MBC ke ba job hapo ki urban area
Kalau tu lagi konstitusi idon.
Ia mentangam lah ban ong kanut li in detail then they kidon mentang katura kidon around 3-4 mentah po kumapo Shillong ngatai kidon mas 5-6 nata hajuai kidon ta 4-5
Only the urban constituencies?
We are talking about urban. We are talking about. But please don't take it as final because, as I said to you, it must be like that only. They must be happening around 3-4 in July. Again, here in Shillong, maybe 5-6 like that, and then even in Tura, they have around 4-5.
Sir,
But all the three. District council they gave. Of course, the CM of KGT he sent only representative, 3 or 4 active members. They present there along with the officers.